Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today we're giving you a closer look at the Tusk First Line Contact Cleaner. Now, what is contact cleaner and why do you need it? This is something I use all the time in the shop to clean oil, grease, and grime off of electrical components and parts. So things like electrical connectors, contacts, and switches. Again, this is going to clean that grime off of there and get your parts ready for reassembly. Now, this is safe on most surfaces, it leaves no residue, and it has a nice citrus scent. So those are some of the reasons why I keep 2 to 3 cans of this in the shop at all times. It's going to let me get the job done on motorcycles, ATVs, and side-by-sides. If you need some of this stuff, you can find it on our website. You can buy the individual cans, or you can get a 6 or 12 pack if you want to save a little bit of money and you're doing a lot of work in the shop and using this stuff all the time. So that's your closer look at the Tusk First Line Contact Cleaner. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. And if you want to stay up to date on our latest content, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.